It's that real shit. Gangsta shit, you dig? See my nigga just killed it. Straight off the head, nigga. Stacks, racks, and bands, look. I'm all about my dividends, still stacking Benjamins. Last nigga played caught 50 of my mini men. Hooded like Trayvon, but I'm shooting like Zimmerman. These niggas pussy sweet as cinnamon. I be on the front line, mask on, latex scrap on. In the kitchen whipping them chickens, getting my stretch on. Bullets hit your chest, now they ripping out your backbone. Call me Mickey D's, cause I keep that Big Mac on. Disrespect me and your mind, I put that tech on. Flexing on these bitches, I got racks on, decks home. I'm in the jungle with them apes and gorillas. Still thugging with them killers that be repping the villas. I was born in a trap house, living out that bando. Raised off canned goods, cold cuts and candles. Barely took baths in the winter, no hot water. Moms used to be stressed about us catching pneumonia. Got keys up in the kitchen, house smell like ammonia. Got so used to the scent, I thought it was the aroma. They kicked me out of school, never got a diploma. Started running the streets and graduated from the corner. Keep birds on base like a St. Louis corner. Drop a 4 in the water when I whip the Archie bonk. If the price right, you could get it tonight. Buy a barker. When it's beat, my nigga stalk you. Try to hide it, we gon' haunt you. Glock 9 in my pocket, shooting like Tony Parker. I walk it like I talk it. Never broke the G code. Always on that street shit. Step in that beast mode. Hustle gang lethal. We blowing up like C4. Yeah, that gangster shit, nigga. Stacks, rags, and bands. Triple G's. Volume 1 coming soon, you heard me? Marlo, fuck 'em, nigga.